Midnight Intro. Fix GTA 5 first-person camera for racing in 60 seconds, faster view, less shake, better control. 003 Step 1. Switch to first-person view by tapping the view key until cockpit camera is active. 008 Step 2. Open Settings, go to Display, then First-person camera options. 013 Step 3. Set first-person field of view to 80 to 90 for a wider peripheral view. 019 Step 4. Turn camera shake off, head movement off, and motion blur off for stability. 025 Step 5. Save settings and enter a test drive at speed to check responsiveness. 029 Step 6. Tweak minimap size and opacity so you can glance without losing focus. 033 Step 7. Adjust vehicle steering sensitivity to roughly 70 to 85% for precise turns. 038 Before and after. Notice the difference, wider view and no shake gives a calmer, faster feel. 044 Quick tip. Use interior camera for lines, but dial zoom if the hood blocks vision. 050 Recap. FOV 80 to 90, camera shake off, head movement off, motion blur off, sensitivity 70 to 85. Test and fine-tune. 056 Try it now, post your lap times, and subscribe for more GTA racing tips.